Have a good day at Otto's shop. Live, this is what we do every day. This is our oven. These are cars that is about to enter the oven. These are the ones that have just been sprayed. Now Infinity. The finishing touches has been done on them. This is a JLK that we just oven baked now, white color. We do this every day. We give best touches to cars. We turn your cars to brand new. This is Highlander 017 that we just oven baked, that came out of the oven just a couple of minutes. Also this RAV4 came out of the oven just now. We have other cars that have been washed, and we're also ready for oven bake. It's what we do every day. Bring your cars to us and be assured of perfect painting. We do oven bake, we do complete refurbishing of your cars to give you a very, very good looking and beautiful car. So we have some other cars that are on being prepared. So we work 24/7 of the day to give a perfect job. These are cars that have still been awaiting to be painted. We still have some cars on the bridge. So we deal 24/7 oven bake to give you a perfect job. Yes, as you can see, it's being washed, getting ready to be prepared for also oven bake. Bring your car to us and let's show you what we do here. Thank you. About to do a change of color for this car at Positive Autos Land Logistics Limited. So this is the Highlander 2016 that has just been upgraded to 2020. So we are about to change the color from gold to white. So this is the interior. So we are painting all and changing everything to white. This is the picture before. So this is the car 2016 upgraded 2020. This is part of the cars that we handle and are just being brought in.